Hi everybody, and welcome to 3Dsurvey tutorials. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Edit tool found under CAD functions. The tool is used for selecting the elements and also editing them. It's used when we have already made some sketches or some measurements on the surface. We can use the Edit tool in a couple of different ways. To use it, we must first click CAD in the upper right selection menu. Next, we click the Edit tool icon in the top left corner of the menu. Then we need to select the elements we want to edit or select one of them. The next two things we can do by clicking the drop-down menu next to the Edit icon are selecting Similar or selecting Similar in the same lane. Don't forget it is necessary to first select one of the elements to use those two functions. When we have selected the desired elements, we can delete them by clicking the Delete button on the keyboard or edit them in many ways. First, I will show you how to move a point. To do it, we first click on it. Then, we select where we want our point to be snapped to. We have a couple of options, all located in the snapper settings on the right. The first one is Point. To use it, we must have our point cloud selected in the back so we can snap the point we want to edit to any point in the point cloud. The second option is Endpoint, where our point will snap on any endpoint of an already existing line. The third option is Midpoint, where our point will snap on any midpoint of an already existing line. The fourth option is called Nearest, where our point will snap on any point on the already existing line. The fifth option is called Center, where our point will snap onto any center of an already existing circle. The last option is called Triangle, where our point will snap on any point on the surface of our 3D mesh. But we must first make sure to have our 3D mesh on, or the function won't work. We can have more than one of these options turned on, but if we know exactly where we want our point to be, it might be easier to only choose the one we need. After doing all that, we just left mouse click the point and left mouse click the place we want to move it to. To confirm our decision, we click the right mouse button. Besides moving the point, we can change the selected items in a couple of ways. They can be found under Element Properties in the bottom right corner. There is some information that we can just see and some information that we can change. Under General, we can change the layer of the selected elements by double-clicking on it and changing it to desired one. We can also change the color and the line weight, which are commonly defined by layer. To change the color, we double-click on it and click Custom if we want a custom color. We choose our color and confirm our decision by clicking OK. We can also click by layer if we want our element to have the same color as all the elements in the layer. We can change the line weight by double-clicking on it, checking the box on the right and selecting the font. Otherwise, it will be automatically defined by layer. Under Attributes, we can see if the line is closed or not. Under Geometry, we can change some geometrical properties. And under Display, we choose which information we want to have written on the line, including 3D distance, 2D distance, slope and height. We can make them seen or hide them by double-clicking on the status and changing it. We can also change the font of the written information by double-clicking on it and putting in the font. This is all for this tutorial. Thank you and see you next time.